Namaskar, myself Sri Pratap Singh from India Meteorological Department. I welcome all of you to our daily weather briefing program today, that is 5th February 2024. This is the observed weather during past 24 hours. Here you can see that dense to very dense fog in many places was occurred over Punjab and dense fog in isolated pocket over Haryana, or only dense fog in isolated pockets over northern parts of Rajasthan and Uttarakhand, and Odisha also received dense fog in isolated pockets. This is the hailstorm. Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand or northwest MP received hailstorm in isolated places during past 24 hours. This is the visibility. Here you can see that its satellite image shows that dense fog over Punjab, Haryana and adjoining areas in morning hour of today. This is the some visibility in meters. West Rajasthan was received 25 meter, Punjab 50 meter, Haryana, Chandigarh, Ambala 50 meter, Uttarakhand 50 meter also, Himachal Pradesh, Delhi, Sikkim and Odisha received 200 meter visibility past 24 hours. This is the minimum temperature. Here you can see that minimum temperature is above normal in departure in entire country, especially northern parts and central India, and in between 8 to 14 degree over the northwest India, especially Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh and adjoining Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh. This is the maximum temperature. Here you can see that this is also more than 20 degrees centigrade over the parts of northwest India and adjoining central India, and green color also indicate that departure is more positive trends except northern parts of Punjab and northern parts of Haryana. But no cold day condition and cold wave condition was observed over the country during past 24 hours. This is the highlight. Wet spell over northwest and adjoining central and adjoining east India is likely to continue during next 24 hours, and thereafter no rainfall during next 4-5 days over the country. This is the synoptic system of today. Here you can see that WD as a trough lies over Jammu Kashmir and adjoining areas, and one cyclone circulation is also lies over northern parts of Pakistan adjoining Jammu and Punjab in lower troposphere level, and another cyclone circulation lies over East Assam in lower troposphere levels. This is the rainfall and hailstorm warning. Here you can see the only today rainfall and hailstorm also expected over Uttarakhand and Sikkim, and heavy rainfall and snowfall over Arunachal Pradesh. Rest of the no adverse weather warning for the country, especially for rainfall and hailstorm. And now the fog warning. Here you can see only Punjab, Haryana and northern parts of Rajasthan is expected fog during tomorrow morning hours, and over Jharkhand and Odisha also. On day 2, Odisha is expected dense fog in isolated pocket. Rest of the days no weather warning or especially no fog warning over the country. Thank you very much all of you to listening me. Namaskar.